How to fix TikTok filters not showing up error. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix filters not showing up or filters not loading up on TikTok. Well, the process is simple. First things first, you want to check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you're connected to a strong internet connection. To verify it, you can open up other apps and check if the internet connection is working. If the connection is not the issue, head over to your Play Store or App Store directly and check for the update. You want to make sure that you want to update it to the latest version. Sometimes if there is any glitches or bugs within the app, it is fixed over the update, so you want to update it as it might be a certain glitch or the bug. If there is no any update and you're still having the error, then you can simply head over to your settings first. Head over to the apps option. Under apps, you want to go ahead and search in for TikTok and open up the TikTok app. Here, head into stories and clear cache. And once you clear the cache, relaunch the app and it should fix the issue. However, you can also clear data here, but make sure that you have backed up your account and you don't have any video on drafts, as this will delete all of application's data, log you out of your account, and your drafts will be deleted once you log out as well. So you might not want to do this, but if it still doesn't fix the issue, you can do this after you have backed up your account and videos. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.